Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am in hog heaven right now. I've just opened my box from Bath and Body Works, and I have loved the leaves candle since like the first time it came out. When we lived in New England, we would go to Yankee Candle, and we still do. We like Yankee Candle. And there was a candle called Indian Pudding, and I found it on one of our trips, many years ago, like probably 25 years ago. And anyways, maybe 26 years ago, I can't remember, 25, maybe 25. Anyways, long story short, they quit making it. And I literally am hoarding these last few because I ordered a big package of the votives. And I like do one a year, and only in small places so it'll smell good. And then leaves came out and I was like, oh my goodness gracious sakes alive. It reminds me of that. They're not exactly the same, but I love that smell. And I literally have hoarded the last few leaves hand soaps. They are not making the hand soap anymore, and it drives me crazy. I do not know why they haven't, but why they quit making it. But anyway, so we have outlets by us, so I can sometimes find outlets of those, and like in some old stash, they'll bring out. And there's another outlet, Bath and Body Works, in a town on the way to Dallas, so I will stop there a lot because sometimes they have things that are different than our outlet store. And even though it's smaller, it's not as heavily trafficked. So, I can sometimes go in there and find some goodies. But this I ordered online. I had it sent to me. As many of you know, my neck has been out, my back has been out, and I just thought I just cannot park, walk all the way in, come back, get in the car, carry a big bag of candles. We always go Black Friday. My husband always wants to go to Yankee Candle and Bath and Body Works. He's so cute. And so we always get candles for our kids for Christmas. And anyways, I'm a real essential oil gal until fall. I'm not going to lie. I believe that essential oils are healthier for us, but oh my goodness gracious. If you could smell this box right down there. Oh, and it's all blue and white gingham. It's so gorgeous. So let me share with you what I got. So of course, and they pack these so well. So if you buy a whole lot, you get a whole tray. But if you buy two, which I only bought two, they pack them in like that. It is so nice. And of course, there's all this other bubble stuff that I've already taken out. But look at this leaves. It has a hedgehog on it. So you guys know, I love llamas, I love birds, and I love hedgies. And right after my mom passed away, I would watch video after video of hedgehogs. And my youngest really wants me to get a hedgehog, but we still have a lot to get taken care of in the house, and so I don't know. And we even talked about like getting one to put out in my craft space, but we don't have heat out there, and it will be like heated by oil, and so I will never leave it on all the time. We leave AC on out there all the time, but anyway. So, but these are made with essential oils, so that makes it okay, right? Anyways, I wish you were here. I'm just smelling it. I'm just in hog heaven. So kind of a rose-colored, rose gold top. Absolutely floats my boat. I always look every year because they have different, covers on them. And so this one just makes me smile. So I love that. I even showed my youngest. She was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I said, I know. So speaking of soap, I always get soap there. So this I pick up. I love the kitchen, any of the lemon soaps. I always pick them up. And that looks like I got something on it, but I might wipe it off. So this is just lemon. Lemon is so great for cutting. We eat onions and garlic every day. And it's on your hands. It's so hard to get out. Yes, I use stainless steel spoons and I'll rub them on my hand. But also lemon is a great thing for that too. It kind of takes the stink out of your hand. I love all the White Barn. So I specifically, let me smell this. I think I already smelled it though oh no, I didn't smell that. That smells so stinking good. That is a lemon scent that's a little bit different. It reminds me of something when I was a child. Maybe it was a cleaner. I can't remember what it was. Almost smells like candy. Oh, it's Italian bergamot. Zesty lemon, sparkling citrus, and Italian bergamot. Which bergamot has that orange smell? No wonder. Oh, doggone. That smells good. Okay, and it says you must wash your hands 20 seconds and then rinse. I know. I'm a teacher. I have to tell you that. I always tell my kids that. You can't just rinse them quick. So I also picked up some of this because I had the rose gold. I thought I got the foam in this, but I didn't. But my husband really prefers gel. So I picked up the foam in Sweater Weather and then the gel in Crisp Morning Air. People will say it is like leaves. Hold on. Let me smell it. So this, no. And actually this is the scent my husband would like more. It smells more manly. The Sweater Weather has almost like a man's cologne smell to it, but it still has that fall smell. So this one is, it doesn't say what the scents are. Gentle foaming hand combines nourishing vitamin E with softening shea extract and aloe to deliver rich lather, gently washing away dirt and germs. So I was trying to see if it had any specific like descriptors. Oh, here it is. Sage, that's what it is. Sage, eucalyptus, and fresh woods. I love eucalyptus. In my essential oil diffuser in my bathroom, I run all the time eucalyptus and rosemary, and I love those together. It sounds awful, but it smells fantastic. So I'm not kidding. It's amazing. I don't even know what to say. It's so good. Okay, so then here is the other one, and this is Crisp Morning Air. So let's see if this one, I thought one of these reminded me of leaves, but you know, now that I'm sitting here smelling the gosh, goodness, they got that wrapped up tight, which probably keeps it from spilling. So I'm thankful for that. But I thought one of these smelled like, and this one is fresh pine, juniper, and juicy pear. I never thought of leaves in those scents, but maybe they are. I don't know. Hold on. I really wish Bath and Body Works, everybody send a letter. Tell them, bring back the leaf soap. Ow, that hurt. Okay, that really did hurt. Well, I can at least take off this part and I can smell it, and I'll get the rest off later. I didn't know it was... Yeah, this one smells the most like leaves, and it's not as strong. So, isn't that gorgeous? I love the rose gold. It's a little fox with a bird with a little hat on and a little owl with a hat on. That is so stinking cute. Okay. Of course, I couldn't pass this up. And I buy one of these like every other year. I don't buy them every year. I buy one soap one year and then one, I've got something on my finger, one soap one year and then one of the candles another year, because they get kind of yucky after a while, especially the soap things. So these are gorgeous. This is rose gold, and now wish I had this one, which I might pick it up. And then it has this beautiful like gray marble. And I just thought that is so stinking cute. And actually, I'll probably put this in my kitchen because I have gray marble everywhere. This is a little bit wider than, but I have gray marble cutting and plate, you know, things for my counters, so that I set things on. So that is super fun, super neat. All right, so now, what else could I get? I don't know. What else could I find? So every so many years, you got to restock, because these little boogers, they just wear out. And so I picked up, I know that this one has a night light. I don't think this one, oh no, this is a night light too. And this is a night light. And I love these. They're all kind of rose goldy. I think this is going to go out in my craft space. I think this one is going to go probably in my kitchen. And I think this one will go in my bathroom, because it kind of has the Edison bulb. So I love these. I love the night lights. If you guys don't know, I have fallen many times and broken many bones. So my husband doesn't like light at night. So, I mean, he doesn't want anything to happen to me. I mean, he has like flashlights everywhere for me. But I always forget them. And so having lights throughout the house, it helps. So I always do that. And then, of course, you know what I had to get? Had to get me some leaves. I do have some in my stash still because, you know, gotta hoard it. But I went ahead and picked up, I think I picked up more than two. I did. I picked up, I think they had a sale for 6. Hold on. Let me see here. Yep, hold on. I'm getting it there. Hold on. Yep, there's 5. I'll have to check my receipt. Because I thought it was 6. Usually it's evens with them. But, oh, and I missed this. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is for my bedroom. I know. And it's a nightlight, too. So, I don't know. I may not be able to put that in the bedroom. We'll see. Maybe I'll put it in here in the dining room. It's really pretty. I love it. It really casts light. It's really beautiful. It depends on how much light this one gives out or this one. One of them will be in my craft space, and the other one will, probably this one should be in my bedroom. That go in the craft space, but so pretty. And I just got a lamp. It's in rose gold, I think, and it has that same, because I love how it casts light in those kinds of, shades. And then lastly, about every, 5 years is what it's been, I pick up one of the car thingies. And these are great. And it kind of reminded me of those two, but they're different. And I thought, well, that is really pretty. And I love the leaves in my car. I'm not going to lie. Everything I have here was on sale. And I had coupons. I know, I'm so cheap. But I got this for my car. So what you do is you peel this back. And then and you guys probably already know this. Let me see. This one's different. So let's see. Then you just twist it. And then you pop it in. And then you twist it back on, and then you put it, I always put mine on the visor, and I always put it on the visor across from me, and I really slowly peel it back. I know that's not what they intend, but sometimes the scent can be overwhelming, especially down here when it's so hot. So, but I love these. These are so nice, and it just adds a little, girly thing to your car as well. So it's just pretty. So long story short, here we are. We have a big old haul from Bath and Body Works, and lots of fall scents. Just yummy, yummy, yummy. So watch for coupons. Look for outlets. Seriously, don't pay full price. I know they don't want me to say that, but I just don't pay full price. We live by outlet malls. I wait for when their 3-wick candles go on sale. It's the only time I buy them, like these down here, or, any of these things. So always look for the best deal. Okay, friends. And by the way, if your kids have teachers and you need a good teacher's gift, this is a phenomenal teacher's gift. Or, one of these, just even one of those. I would love to get, the actual Bath and Body Works and not the the Dollar Tree versions. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they aren't. So, just being honest. I don't mean to sound rude or anything, and I never threw anything away. And especially my parents that didn't have any money, I would be like, please, you don't have to buy me a thing. I had this one, I'll just tell you the story real quick. I had this one mom, and her son was so ill. And I'm not going to give you a name or anything, but because of privacy, but the dad struggled with alcoholism, and so this was kind of a late in life child, and anyways, they just didn't have any money. They couldn't pay their tuition, and we were a Christian school, and I was like, you don't need to pay your tuition, and we'll work it out, don't worry about it. And I had gone to the pastor, told him the situation, and anyway, so long story short, she would every single holiday make the most amazing food for the kids for a celebration. So for fall harvest, she took little oranges and she, cut them out, and she decorated them with icing, and she filled them full of like sherbet and lemon lime soda or something very inexpensive. And I was always amazed and just humbled by that love she had for her child, the love she showed me. It was just amazing. And so, anyway, so like I say, you don't have to go buy anything expensive, and, buy one thing. Don't buy 10 things. Buy one thing. And because teachers get a lot of gifts like that. But, if you can, find it on sale. Like, we get this stuff for like $2.89 sometimes, or $2.98. We look for the sales. We buy in the off times, and then we put it up. And so that way we can give something that we know is very popular, or that somebody likes in particular. And, so, that way we don't give as much, but we give something that we know that they'll like. Does that make sense? All right. Okay. And especially in the days when we were really, really struggling. It was, one candle on sale at the discount mall, at the outlet mall. It was like, that was a big deal sometimes. And so, anyway, so, I mean, we've all been there. We've all, had struggles, no doubt. So, but, matter of fact, my husband and I were talking about that yesterday, that how blessed we were. We have gone through so much difficult times, and that, it's such a blessing right now, to, I mean, it could happen tomorrow, in the world he's in, they let people go pretty quickly, and so layoffs happen. So, you never know what's going to be around the corner, but so buy it on sale, use a coupon. There you go. Okay, I've just gone on and on. I'll let you go. I'm just rambling. I was listening to the Little House on the Prairie music in the other room as I was talking. Oh, for goodness sakes. Us moms, we can dual task. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Please tell me, what is your favorite scent from Bath and Body Works? Either the candles, the room scents, the hand soaps. What is your favorite? Because I have yet to meet anyone that doesn't have one thing that they love. Whether it's the lotion or, I'm always just amazed. I mean, even if you don't like scent, they have those like aloe socks. And I'm always shocked that, well, I can't be around a lot of scent, but I love the socks. And I'm like, oh, I hadn't even thought of that. So I'm always just amazed at what people, what people like at Bath and Body Works. So anyways, all right. So, like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're going to have all kinds of giveaways. Y'all hop in here. I would love for you guys to be here. We'd love to encourage you. Hit that notification bell. Let you know when every time a video comes up. I am starting to tie my Instagram in with this channel. So all my drawing announcements will begin now on Instagram. And I think that's it. Okay. Oh, share this if it would encourage anybody else. All right, my dear sweet friends. Be sure you go to Black Friday. Look for the coupons. I got a stack of coupons in the other room. Just keep your eyes open. See what it is that might encourage you and your family or your friends. All right. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye, y'all.